Hi and welcome to Oslo Fight Center. I want to show you how we make an article with some Finnish made text and images. So first we go down to the login link and we log in with the username and password. The first thing you see after you log in is, of course, it shows up another menu in the top. So we will make a new article, opprett ny artikel. Here we come to another template I use to make it more simple, and you see the menu is in the bottom here under the article because these have a different module position. Well, we are going to use an example from Wikipedia, mixed material arts, and so I don't mix it with other things here. I will call it test mixed material arts, and then I will take some text from here, which I will first put. I will use Notepad++, and I will just paste it inside here, and I will copy it again, simply because I want all formattation to be gone. I don't want to use any formattation. Then copy and paste. The first thing I will do is to make a read more. So I want to have a read more after here. You click on this icon to make a read more. Then I will make this bold. It becomes a nice introduction. The next thing, I'm going to click on Bilder og lenker, and the main photo I will use the same as the intro photo, intro builder, and I will take it from here. I already uploaded it from Wikipedia. To be sure I got it right, I can check it here under. If I need to upload another photo, choose files in the folder you want it. Now I click insert, then you will see here it has come here. I will do the same on the main photo because I'm going to use the same image. But you can use two different images, one as introduction and one as the main image. Then I just copy this one because I want the description, bildebeskrivelse, and bildetext to be the same. Bildebeskrivelse is important for SEO, for search engine optimization. So as you understand, this has something to do with search engines. So if you don't write anything here, the Google search engine will not know what this image is about. So in this case, we will have this the same here. Now publishing, we can see the category is nyheter. Here I can write some tags. If I'm writing for another person, I can write that person's name here. Test author. Should it be published or unpublished? Publisert eller upublisert? Maybe I want it for later and I don't want it published now. Then I can choose unpublished. But I will publish it now. Tilgang, public. You can make an article only for the registered users, for example, the members in your club. I click Lagre. Okay, now you can see it has come on the front page. And to really see how it looks like, I want to log out so I can go and see how it really looks like. This is what I just did now, and it's written by test author. So this is the person who wrote it, but since I am logged in and using my name, that's why I'm using an alias. I click on the headline to see the complete article here. And now I have the full width of the photo and all the text here. Okay, let's log in again. I want to make a couple of headlines under or inside the article itself. So I go for Nyheter kategoriliste because here I can find it easy. Tests mixed material art, rediger, edit it. Now always use paragraph. No, don't when you make a new paragraph. I will just make a couple of paragraphs here like this, and over here I will make another headline which I will format as H2, heading 2, and normally that is heading 2. I'll just make another one. Now I have two headlines here, one here and one here, and click Lagre. Now I can go to the front page to see how it looks like. And you see I clicked on, let me just explain something. When you need to go to the main front page, just click Oslo Fight Center in the top here. Then you automatically comes to the front page. I will log out again, just so we can see how it looks like in real life for normal people. Here I click on the headline again to see only this article, and now you can see the headlines here. If there is anything you want to ask, just contact me and I will be happy to answer all questions. Bye bye.